I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Capsule CRM. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API URL, go to Capsule CRM dashboard. Click Profile Name on the top right corner. Now click Account and Plan. Now, navigate the account setting and copy the site address. Paste it here. To get API key, click on Capsule CRM API token. Click on Generate First API key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. Enable all scope of this token, click Generate Token. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the action. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integration. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Capsule CRM dashboard and click People and Organization. Here is the data that came into Capsule CRM through the integration. Thanks for watching.